Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that popped into my mind while researching a different topic. Is Regions Bank a Canadian bank? I know this might seem like a simple question, but I was actually surprised to find that there's a lot of misinformation out there about this topic. So, let's dive in and get to the bottom of it. First, let's start with the basics. Regions Bank is a major American bank headquartered in Birmingham, Alabama. It was founded in 1970 and has grown to become one of the largest banks in the United States, with over 2,000 branches and 1,300 ATMs. So, if Regions Bank is an American bank, how did this confusion about it being Canadian start? Well, it seems like it all stems from the fact that Regions Bank does have a presence in Canada. In 2019, Regions Bank acquired a Canadian mortgage company called First National Financial. This acquisition gave Regions Bank access to the Canadian mortgage market and allowed them to open branches in Canada. However, it's important to note that Regions Bank is not a Canadian bank. It is an American bank with operations in Canada. This is a key distinction that many people seem to miss. So, now that we've cleared up the confusion, let's talk about some of the other things you might be wondering about Regions Bank. For example, what services does it offer? Well, Regions Bank offers a full range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, mortgages, credit cards, and investment products. They also have a number of online and mobile banking options. Another thing you might be interested in is Regions Bank's financial strength. Well, Regions Bank is a well-established and financially sound bank. It is rated as a strong bank by Moody's and S&P Global, and it has a healthy capital cushion to protect itself from financial shocks. So, there you have it. Regions Bank is a large and well-respected American bank with a presence in Canada. It offers a wide range of banking services and is considered to be a financially sound institution. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Regions Bank, feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.